Degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit both tell us the temperature, but these two scales are very different. In South Africa, we use degrees Celsius, and in places like America, they use degrees Fahrenheit. It's important to be able to convert between these two scales of temperature so that we can understand what the temperature might be if it's given in a scale that we don't use. If we know what the temperature is here in South Africa in degrees Celsius, and we want to know what it is in degrees Fahrenheit, we use the formula degrees Fahrenheit equals 1.8 times degrees Celsius plus 32. If we know what the degree Celsius is, we put it in place of this degree Celsius here. So if we knew that it was 22 degrees outside, instead of that C, we would put 22, and then work out the sum to see what the answer is in degrees Fahrenheit. If we know what degrees Fahrenheit is and want to work out degrees Celsius, we use a slightly different formula. For example, if you're reading a recipe and it says to cook the food at 360 degrees Fahrenheit and you want to know what this is on your oven in Celsius, you would say degrees Celsius equals degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. And again, wherever you see that F, that's where you put in your degrees Fahrenheit. So if it said cook at 360 degrees Fahrenheit, you'd put that in place of the F and then work out the sum. I'm sure you can see there are a few similarities between these two formulae, both the 32s and also the 1.8s. The formulas are just switched around because one way you're going forwards and the other way you're going backwards to get your answer. So as long as you can work with these formulae, you'll be absolutely fine with converting from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit.